Keynote, why should you watch my Pradeep K Suri videos? Thumbnail is explaining about video content. Request viewers to subscribe to the YouTube channel. The image of the thumbnail is a collage of various smaller images and graphics related to artificial intelligence, AI, and data analysis. It includes visual representations of neural networks, human figures interacting with digital interfaces, bar graphs depicting data, a QR code linked to a bookstore in the cloud, and text describing AI modeling. Here is a more detailed explanation of each element. The top left corner shows a diagram of a neural network with labeled layers, input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. A neural network is a type of AI model that mimics the structure and function of the human brain. It consists of multiple layers of interconnected nodes that process information and learn from data. The input layer receives the data, the hidden layers perform computations and transformations, and the output layer produces the results. Adjacent to it is an image of a human brain intertwined with digital elements, symbolizing the integration of human intelligence with artificial intelligence. This image suggests that AI can augment and enhance human capabilities, such as memory, creativity, and problem solving. It also implies that AI can be influenced and shaped by human values, ethics, and emotions. Below these two images is another graphic showing a man looking at multiple floating digital screens displaying bar graphs and other data visualizations. This image represents the use of AI and data analysis for decision-making and business intelligence. It shows that AI can help humans access, process, and understand large amounts of data, and provide insights and recommendations. It also shows that data can be presented in various formats and dimensions, such as charts, tables, maps, and dashboards. In the center is an image of hands reaching out towards glowing AI text, representing human interaction with artificial intelligence. This image illustrates the curiosity and fascination that humans have towards AI, as well as the potential benefits and opportunities that AI can offer. It also indicates that humans can communicate and collaborate with AI through various channels and modalities, such as voice, text, touch, and gestures. To the right is an image of a person running towards various app icons indicating the integration of technology into daily life. This image depicts the ubiquity and diversity of AI applications in different domains and scenarios, such as education, health, entertainment, finance, and transportation. It shows that AI can improve the quality and convenience of life and provide personalized and customized services and solutions. Below this central cluster are images depicting AI's role in education. One shows an open book, Python library, emitting light while mathematical equations float around it. Another displays a robot writing equations on a chalkboard. These images demonstrate how AI can enhance and transform the learning and teaching processes, by providing interactive and adaptive content, feedback, and guidance. They also show how AI can foster and facilitate the acquisition and application of mathematical and scientific knowledge and skills. On the far right side is a book titled AI Modeling and Process, by Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Accompanied by bar graphs showing historical data and forecasts. These contents explain how AI can be used to optimize operations, by analyzing the data collected from sensors, cameras, and other devices, and predicting future performance and needs. They also show how AI can help reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. There's also a QR code leading to a bookstore in the cloud for accessing books related to AI modeling and process, by Pradeep K. Suri, AI-powered enterprise resource planning, by Pradeep K. Suri, and Success by Design and Practice, by Pradeep K. Suri. This section provides a service that allows users to scan a QR code, or bookstore URL is available in the description of video, and access a digital library of books, videos, and Python programs on AI topics, such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. This service enables users to learn more about AI and its applications and to keep up with the latest developments and trends in the field. Note: the bookstore is updated frequently and provides the author's blog URL. I hope this explanation helps you understand the image of the thumbnail better. Request viewers to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Book for your library? Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud, or visit URL which is available in the description of video. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI DNN architect. Thank you.